Welcome back, everybody, or welcome if you're new. Today we are having What's for Supper Wednesday on a Tuesday. We're joining in on Debbie's Kitchen's collaboration. It's her first day of spring collaboration. We are making spring chicken pot pie. You'll need 4 cups of chopped chicken or turkey. I have turkey. Doug brined a turkey and baked it this weekend, so we're going to use the leftovers. 1 cup of mushrooms, 1 cup of onions, a half a cup of celery, 3 cloves of minced garlic, 1 to 1.5 cups of potatoes chopped, 2 to 3 cups of spinach chopped, 2 cups of chicken broth. I have 2 cream of chicken soups. I may not need both of them, but I've got them if I need them. 2 things of crescent rolls. This is going to be the topping. A half a cup of sour cream. 1 16-ounce of frozen vegetables of your choice, whatever you want. I need a stick of butter. And then for the seasonings, I need 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, a half a teaspoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons of parsley. Okay, I've got my skillet hot. I'm going to take 6 tablespoons of the stick of butter. I'm going to put that in there. And let that melt down. Now I'm going to add in my celery and onions. And my potatoes. I'm going to let them cook up for a few minutes till the potatoes is kind of tender. I've cut these into little cubes about the same size as the onions and celery in there. That way everything cooks evenly. We'll be back when this gets cooked up. I'm going to put a lid over this, let that steam a little bit so the potatoes get a little bit more done. Okay, I'm going to add the garlic. The potatoes aren't all the way done. They'll be in the oven too, so add in your garlic. And let that cook just a minute. Okay, next I'm going to put in the frozen vegetables. It's going to be colorful. Okay, I'm going to pour in the chicken broth. I'm going to let these cook till they're a little bit more tender. And we'll be back. And I forgot, add the mushrooms in now too. We'll be back whenever they cook up a little bit. Okay, these is cooked down some. Getting a little bit tender. I'm going to add the spinach and cook that down. We'll be back. Okay, the spinach is cooked down, getting that pretty spring colors. I'm going to add the cream of chicken and the sour cream. This is 1 can of cream of chicken. I'll see if I need any more. Mix that in. I'm going to add our seasonings. And overboard. Okay, I'm going to add the chicken or turkey before I see if I need any more. This is going to overflow, looks like. I'm going to go ahead and add the other can. This is my oven. I'm preheating the oven to 375. Okay, I'm going to heat this through, and we'll be back after it gets done. I forgot to, you need to taste this, see if you need any more seasoning in it, salt, pepper, or anything. We'll be back when this is heated through. Okay, I've got my baking dish here. This is about 11 by 15. There's no way I can lift that cast iron to pour, so I'm going to just dip this in here. I'll be back when I get it all put in. Look over the light. I've got lights on, but we have a gloomy day today. It's supposed to turn off cold again. 20s tonight, so alright, we're going to take the crescent rolls and sort of just lay them and overlap them. Just try to fit them in there like a puzzle. Now you take the 2 tablespoons that you got left over of butter and melt it, and then just brush it on your crescent rolls. I've got the oven set at 375. We're going to put this in there for 30 to 40 minutes. Just watch your topping till it's golden brown. Then we'll be back. Here it is out of the oven. Let's get it plated up and give it a taste. Okay, here it is all plated up. We'll let Doug give it a try.
It's good. Try another piece here just to make sure.
Now for me, the thyme in it it's a little bit, I don't really care for thyme, but you may like it, so that's totally
Tastes good to me, folks.
up to you.
I'll tell you what, let me try one more piece just to make sure here. Tastes good to me.
All right. Well, I want to thank Debbie's Kitchen for having the collaboration. We'll leave her link down below and go and check her out. She's got a great channel, a lot of great recipes, grocery hauls. I want to thank you all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.